you are looking to boost your hair growth naturally, then you have clicked on the right video. Today I am going to show you how to make rosemary oil at home. It is super easy, effective and perfect for promoting healthy hair growth. So let's get started. All you need are two simple ingredients. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is fantastic for nourishing the scalp. You will need rosemary essential oil. Rosemary essential oil is known for its ability to stimulate hair follicles and improve circulation to the scalp. Pour 50 ml of coconut oil into a bowl. I am using parachute coconut oil for this. Now add 20 drops of rosemary essential oil. This oil is a powerhouse when it comes to hair growth, prevent hair thinning and breakage. Stir it gently to combine the oils. Now the rosemary hair oil is ready to use. Transfer the oil to a bottle for storage purposes. Now that we have made our rosemary oil, let me show you the best way to apply it. For application, section your hair. Dip a cotton ball into the oil and gently press it to release the oil. Cover your entire scalp with the rosemary oil. Pour the remaining oil onto your palms. Rub it between your palms and spread it on the hair length. Make sure to cover from root to tip. Put a bun and leave it for at least an hour before washing. You can also leave it overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. Use a mild herbal shampoo to cleanse your hair without stripping away all the natural oils. This keeps your hair hydrated and healthy. Rosemary oil promotes hair growth, prevents dandruff and strengthens your hair from root to tip. A simple all-natural rosemary oil works wonders for your hair. I have been using rosemary oil and I'm totally in love with it. If you try this at home, let me know how it goes in the comments below. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Until next time, take care.